How to review created tournaments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review created tournaments on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings and here just click this one, activity log, and then go down, click logout actions and order activity. And now all you need to do is it's just click this one, created tournaments, and here you can review created tournaments on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.